अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मखसूस नशिस्तों के केस को लेकर समाअत फिर शुरू हो गई है। इसमें वकील फैसल सदीकी ने जब कहा कि नून लीग को 2 सीटों के तनासुब से 5 मखसूस नशिस्तें दी गई हैं, जिस पर चीफ जस्टिस बोले कि देखें जी, हमने तो आइन के मुताबिक फैसला करना है। इस पर कैसे जवाब दिया जस्टिस रिजवी ने, आप ये वीडियो देखें। पहले
नेशनल असेंबली खैबर पख्तूनख्वा वुमेन सीट्स के हवाले से PMLN 2, जमीयत उलमाए पाकिस्तान 2, पीपल्स पार्टी पार्लियामेंटेरियंस 1। PMLN को 2 सीटों के अवज़ 5 सीटें मिली।
What is the point you're making?
5.
Are you saying the constitution should be interpreted on the basis of fairness or by the text of the constitution?
By the text, and the text says proportionate representation. That is my case before
Of
you.
political
the
parties.
list. जी, no.
आपका तो कोई एक सीट भी नहीं है ना
जी, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Here it's a question
अगर
of.
आप देखिए ना, मुझे बार बार आपसे कह रहा हूँ,
जी, जी.
you don't even realize how conflicted you are.
जी.
Again you are mentioning PTI. You are not PTI.
No, I'm not mentioning.
And
I'm
yes,
simply.
you are, all the points that you made so far are regarding.
I'm trying to show the disproportionality. और ये और clear हो जाता है by a very interesting clause in the Election Act, Election Rules 2017. अगर आप Section 96 देखिए, there is an attempt to define what proportionality is.
Let's say, with respect to you, does not even come within the parameters of reply. These are points they did not raise. These are points, fresh points you are
ये
raising.
पॉइंट बार बार रेज हुआ था कि डिस्प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी किस तरह है, वो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ। I will not go.
फैसल साहब, एक बात ये बताएं कि
और ये आपने
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के टेक्स्ट में कहीं ये लिखा है कि ये रिजर्व सीट जो हैं ये दूसरी पार्टीज को दे दी जाए?
नहीं, हो ही नहीं सकता।
तो जस्टिस रिजवी ने सही चुप करवा दिया और कहा कि कानून ये भी नहीं कहता कि इनकी सीटें किसी दूसरी जमात को दे दी जाएं। तो यहाँ पर ये तो तय हुआ कि जजेस ये सीट्स किसी दूसरी जमात को PDM की नहीं देंगे। इसके बाद PTI को भी चीफ जस्टिस एक तरह से धमकी लगाते रहे कि हम 2018 के इलेक्शन को भी खोल के रख देंगे। ये सुने उन्होंने क्या कहा।
Bound by the interpretation of the election commission. Is that
No.
Is this a rule of interpretation?
No, that is not my.
Wait a second.
जी.
Are you want us to take judicial notice of this fact?
No, that is
Why
not
are you
my.
referring to it?
I am referring to because I am showing to
And
you.
last and
जी.
not least, if at all, who would have this seat gone to? Let's assume BAP is not there. So if you want us to open up the elections of 2018, we can do so, but you cannot just pick an isolated incident and tell us that it's binding on the Supreme Court or that is the correct interpretation of the Constitution. That's a very novel way to argue a case.
My lord, that is not my argument. All I'm trying to show is the arbitrariness
Hey, forget
and the
that.
unfairness
Why
of
don't
the
you
election.
attend to the case?
But that is all I'm trying to show. My second example of being unfair and arbitrary.
They are most unfair. Let's assume that. So will that change the interpretation of the Constitution?
Because your lordship has again because your lordship has again and again said, why should we intervene? One of the reasons why your lordship should intervene, if your lordship see that there is a kind of institutional hypocrisy at the heart of the election commission, they are discriminating against certain parties, that would be a ground for
2018 के इलेक्शन थे वो सही थे. Go there, then don't open these boxes which will embarrass you.
We are looking at this. So let me come to my second app. The second